Are you listening? Damn.
Push-ups are an incredibly effective exercise that has been used by fitness enthusiasts for years to strengthen their core and upper body. However, despite their proven effectiveness, many people are still hesitant to incorporate push-ups into their daily routine. This is a mistake. Push-ups are not only a simple and easy exercise, but they also provide numerous benefits that can help you achieve your fitness goals faster. One of the primary benefits of push-ups is that they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Although push-ups are primarily associated with building upper body strength, they also engage muscles in the legs and core. This means that when you perform push-ups, you are effectively working out your entire body. This comprehensive approach to exercise is incredibly effective at building overall strength and endurance. Another benefit of push-ups is that they are a bodyweight exercise. Unlike many other exercises that require equipment or weights, push-ups can be done anywhere, anytime, without any special equipment. This makes them a perfect exercise for people who don't have access to a gym or who are looking for a simple, effective way to get in shape. Perhaps the most significant benefit of push-ups, however, is their ability to improve cardiovascular endurance. When you perform push-ups, your heart has to work harder to pump blood to your muscles, including your abdominal muscles. This constant pumping of blood not only helps to improve heart health, but also helps to reduce body fat. If you're looking to incorporate push-ups into your daily routine, it's essential to start slowly and gradually increase the number of push-ups you do each day. You don't want to overload your muscles and risk injury. However, once you've built up your strength and endurance, you can start doing 50 push-ups every morning. Performing 50 push-ups every day will activate the muscle group and lead to visible results within a month. You'll see improvements in functional strength and an overall improvement in your physique. For those who are overweight or obese, push-ups can help to reduce fat in problem areas like the bicep, tricep, and deltoid regions, leading to a significant improvement in your overall appearance. Of course, as with any exercise, it's important to listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. If you experience soreness or discomfort, it may be a sign that you need to take a break or reduce the number of push-ups you're doing. However, if you stick with it and gradually increase your push-up count, you'll start to see significant improvements in your overall fitness and well-being. In conclusion, push-ups are a simple and effective exercise that can help you achieve your fitness goals faster. By engaging multiple muscle groups and improving cardiovascular endurance, push-ups provide a comprehensive workout that can be done anywhere, anytime, without any special equipment. If you're looking to get in shape and improve your overall health and appearance, start incorporating push-ups into your daily routine today.